this is Sujata Kar. I am an assistant professor with the Department of Management Studies, IIT Roorkee. I am an economist by training, and from my own experience I think that the knowledge of econometrics is extremely useful for academic research as well as policy making, because many times we come across or probably deal with some amount of data. It could be large data or some amount of data, and the data they themselves most often do not speak much. So, we need to know how to extract useful and concise information from a set of data or observations. So, there basically econometrics comes in. It provides us the knowledge of methods, tools, models and techniques which can be applied to extract information from a data. So, this is very important to know that given a situation, what is my objective, what kind of information I am trying to bring out from the data, and given that what method I must use, what are the assumptions I make before I apply that methods, and once I receive my output, what is going to be my what is going to be the interpretation of my results. So, once I have the results, its interpretation and the models are estimated properly, then this is actually something where econometrics comes in and contributes hugely. So, having this in mind, the course has been designed following a theoretical approach that I have discussed primarily the mathematics and mechanisms behind different methods, tools and techniques. There is an array or host of software packages available like eView, Stata, SPSS, etc. These packages are very user friendly, but applying them is actually not very difficult, and specifically if you know the mechanism of a particular model, that is why you are estimating or applying a particular model to a problem set, then if you know the method itself, then actually you can use most of the methods included in econometrics using even MS Excel, or you can write your own program also. So, that is why understanding the mechanism is extremely important, beside understanding the interpretation of the results. And other than that, I would say that now talking about the content of the course or the structure of the course, I first talked about the definitions and applications of econometrics, and we also discussed the types of data we may encounter while dealing with economic problems or related problems in social sciences as well as finance. Then I have also reviewed some basic concepts related to statistics, and after that I have got into the first kind of method that are included in econometrics, and the most basic, most common method, that is the method of least square. I have discussed least square with two variables as well as multiple variables, their properties, their assumptions, violations of the assumptions, and how do we deal with situations when the assumptions are violated. So, these are basic topics. After that, I have also touched upon more advanced topics, like I have dealt with time series analysis, univariate as well as multivariate. Then I have dealt with seasonal concepts or the concept of seasonality, then categorical variables, panel data methods, systems of equations, and finally I have ended the course with a discussion on long term relationships in terms of deterministic and stochastic trend. How do we model them and so on. So, that is also a part of time series analysis broadly. In the beginning, I have been somewhat slow while discussing the basic concepts, because the development of basic concepts or understanding is very important, and they are used heavily for advanced topics or concept, and advanced topics are rather touched upon, so that the users who are interested in applying the advanced topics, they can build on their own requirement and apply them. So, the advanced topics are not dealt with or discussed at length, they are simply introduced, but the basic concepts are discussed thoroughly and they are also applied or used while discussing the advanced topics. So, that is broadly about the course. I hope this course will contribute to your learning process, provide guidance to your research endeavors in relevant areas, and you will find this course useful. Thank you.